don't bother with it. Can you feel like say you know people more than
if you want to take a one picture, they say you.
I checked the message. Good morning. Jamie say good morning. Can you sit back? Jamie say good morning. Look at these two little cuties. So guys, it's your girl Couture Shanz and we're back again with another weekend vlog. Yes, the festivities are turned up. As you can see, we're out in our colors today, right? So cute. I can't get over these little cuties and their little bow ties. Too cute, don't Jamie? You're so handsome, right? Who's handsome? You? Who's handsome, Javi? Who's handsome? Me? No. You're handsome. I'm beautiful, right? So yeah, we're heading out today for the boys' song service at their school this morning. So we're gonna get to see them sing and perform. Chocolate? The church beside the school. Jamie, you remember your song that you're gonna sing today? Jingle Bell. Good boy. Jamie, you remember your song? Good boy. You must sing it and don't be shy when you get on stage, okay, Jamir? Alright. And sing it so mommy can take a pic of you and video of you singing and I'm gonna show you back, okay? Okay, cool. So you guys, that's a preview for today. Don't forget to like this video, listen, leave a like on the video, comment, share, subscribe, you name it. Right, we're here. I saw you singing. What am I going to do? You hungry? Please, hot guys. Hot, we're burning up. But yeah, they just performed and they did so good. Come here, everybody. So we're starting to take a quick little break, eat something, and then enjoy the rest of the festivities, right? Can I have one, please? Come on here, give me that. Wait. Thank you. boys, you had fun today? You enjoyed the song service? Jamie, you don't want to sing, Jamie? You were singing Jingle Bell? Good boy.
Mommy.
Yeah, what are you saying? You were calling me while you were on stage? I saw you go like this to me. I saw you give me a thumbs up. You had to tell me that you were ready, which is good, and I heard you singing.
Mommy, I was calling you, but you're not hearing me.
Oh, I didn't hear you, baby. It was very loud in there.
I was calling you, Mom.
You're too loud.
Mommy, you were far away, but I was calling you. You were too far away. I was calling Daddy then. But you're not listening to me.
Daddy, why weren't you listening to the boss?
I listened to you. I went like this when you went like this.
We could have come up, baby, because you were on stage performing, okay? But you both did such a good job. So yeah, that's it for that. Heading back home now. I have some sewing to do when I get in. So yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you when I catch you.
Take one more? Oh,
You have
Mike,
money?
Alright, so big up
How
to
much
Mike
money
of
is that?
Canada. He's not afraid. He's probably, you know,
20 money, Jav, how much
just a
money I
different
get?
number he has. He says he's listening all the way from snowy Canada.
50,000.
$500.
Good job. That's $500.
$500. What you could buy?
You can buy a lot of things with $500, you know. A lot of things. Hey, hey. Come on, Johnny. Johnny.
Okay, do
No TikTok, you do.
So we're back again with day number 2 of the festivities. Today we're heading to the boys' fun day. Boys, are you ready for the fun day? Woo! Jamie, are you ready?
Tell me.
When I reach it, sit. When I say sit, tell me. Sit down, sit back. So guys, simple beat for today. You know, I had to do a little eyebrows because when I have no name eyebrows, did a little mascara and some sunscreen on the face. Once we get for put on a lip gloss. But that's the beat for the day, and I'm really enjoying, you know, styling my own hair or my natural hair, even though it's processed. I am actually enjoying the process. Like, I'm a ponytail girl now. Like, who would have thought Shanice would ever?
Mars is cold.
Mars is cold. Mars is very hot, baby. Who would have thought? Them argue about planet. Him say Mars cold.
Jamir, you say no.
Alright, calm down. Jamir, no listen to nobody. Right, they vex now. Boys, play nicely. You want us to go back home and not go to the fun day? Is that what you want? Okay, then behave yourself. So we're almost there. So I have this little bun here. I'm just rocking a white tee and my favorite jeans from the clothing finery. Minimalistic jewelry. Yeah, that's the look for the day. I'll try and insert a pic if I take any. Don't I will, because I'm really just going to monitor these little boys throughout the day. So I'll take you guys along for the festivities. And yeah, it should be a pretty chill day. Say bye, boys. I'm still vexed, but
I know.
I wanted to help you. Yeah, man, no problem. So I can feel it because I will be here. I want to make sure.
you want me to pay for me already? What happened? You want me to keep your money?
Yes.
Hi, Javi.
I just want you to know that you are really special. I just want you to know that you are really special. I just want you to know that you are really special.
Got some bubbles. Blow, baby, blow. Javi. Blow it. Where's your bubble?
I don't like it. I'm not filling my popcorn yet.
Okay, let's go. Go, Jamie, go. No. Hey, Jamie, jump, jump, jump. Hi.
I just want you to know that you are really special.
What happened? Wanna come out? Stop it! Stop, stop, stop! Stop! Listen to me. Guys, we're gonna put it in ride. I swear it feel like it's not gonna break a while ago. That's why you can subscribe. Alright guys, the kids are on lunch break. So we're just there enjoy ourselves.
You don't start eating it, Mom.
So the boy don't want to eat some food. I don't like it. Huh? You only need the rice. That's all you need. Alright, drink your juice. And say hi to the vlog. Tell them about your day. What you did today? What you been doing? Say hi. Say hi. Alright, Javi, stop vlogging people. Tell them what you did today. You want to talk about about?
Yeah.
And what else?
Spinning round.
And the spinning merry-go-round, or what else?
Helicopter.
And a helicopter? Was it fun? Okay. So we're gonna eat some food and then we're going back outside, okay?
Yay!
Say bye-bye.
Do not use the hands. Many times in life we don't have the opportunity to use our hands. Right. Their poses, catch pose now. Catch pose now. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous.
Come here. Why are you so dirty?
Aren't they absolutely beautiful?
Because you went on the dirty trampoline? Why did you do that? Alright, we'll soon go and go sleep, alright? Oh, the bread are dirty. No, sir. Look at him, put them in a block. Guys, we're heading home. Javi, where you gone? Javi gone about in this day. So it was a lovely, lovely, lovely evening. They're now crowning the queen because they had a pageant. So it was really fun. Don't you, Jamie, you enjoy yourself today? Hey, 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 hey. Where Javi gone? Javi, come. Hey guys, that's it for this vlog. I'm tired. I want to go home and sleep. I'm going to sleep when we get home. I'm tired too. I bear trouble then get today. Like literally bear trouble. Javi, look. What you looking for? Jamir, come up. Jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump, jump. Come up, no man. Hold on. Come up all the way. Come. Alright. Yeah.
The next day.
God only knows. So this too bright. Look at Duppy. Why it's taken me so long. Hi guys, Mr. Laird. So it is Saturday night. My curls are falling. Oh my god, the AC. But it's whatever. Tonight we are going out. Yes, we're going out. Our girl is glam. This is an all white affair. As you can see, Mr. Sharp over this, so I'm not really sure too much because you know, I don't know cool. You know cool. Get over there, love. You get drunk? Huh? Yeah. You get drunk. Alright. Either way, guys, I'm rocking a cute little white dress. I'll give you guys a full fit in a few minutes. We're a couple minutes away from the venue, so we're going to a Christmas, what them call him, some the corporate world. I don't know nothing of the corporate world, you know. That was so long ago. We're going staff party. So yeah, Christmas staff Christmas staff party / sip and paint. It is a all white theme, winter wonderland concept, you name it. So we had to show out. We had to. So we're a little late, but you know Jamaica time. Them say 7, but them not really mean 7. Yeah, they don't really mean 7. Nobody's gonna show up at the venue at 7 o'clock. So yeah, that's a preview for the rest of the night, guys. Obviously, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I've been given the green light. If say only supermarket, enough for vlogging now because in and out when we go supermarkets. So sorry guys, I know you guys love the supermarket vlogs, but I can't bother the stress. I can't bother the stress. I'll put on my shoes, lotion up my foot, dry, I'm not lie. And I'll catch you guys in a few. Catch the beats. Girl beat up our face. These cute earrings from Salvia Shell. I'm gonna look a top knot bun, messy looking. Listen, me just don't like what I go on here. So you see this? It looks so good a while ago. I don't know where I'm gonna go fast with it for. But yeah, the look is still giving. It's not that bad, right? I like it. I like it. And as I said, I've been enjoying doing my own hair these days. I mean, it's just such a breeze. Thank God. My hair is manageable, and I just love these fun, cute styles, and I'll definitely be doing more. So look out for those. So guys, I'll catch you in a few. I feel myself. Yeah, we already know. I'm feeling myself. I feel myself. Right? Right. So yeah, beer nice up. Yes, we're gonna make it in here. Good. Beer nice. Catch you guys. Dance and let me be you one and only.
I promise I'm waiting to hold you on. So come on and give me the chance, yeah, to come on as the one who can. Walk the line until the end time. Running on your mind. You hang on every word I say to yourself inside.
My loneliness got the best of me, and my heart's so weak. Every day I wanna pick up the phone.
Some disposable apron. All white thing. Whoever thought that.
Sip and paint, guys. Sip and paint.
I'm too focused for you, massive.
You say you got a girl. You want me, now you want me, well, you got a girl. The feeling is reckless, I'm going selfish. Knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on the back.
Yeah, Pietro, yeah. Ah, Picasso, take time with them, Picasso, take time with them. How far they were supposed to go, Jason? But yours look nice though.
So mix it up, so.
Show me, because my
This don't look good, but I tell a lie.
And you was worried.
We don't know where I'm going, but it look good.
No, really, actually, yeah,
That's cool, man. If I want to see me good at this problem solving.
I cannot be bothered.
You say you got a girl. You want me, now you want me, well, you got a girl. The feeling is reckless, I'm going selfish. Knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last.
So this is mine. How do I look? How do I look? Rate it out of 10 and let me know how I did. Hi, good night. Can I have some rice, please? Guys, it's after 1 and the party's over. I'm so tired. As usual, I couldn't hang. Well, the party's not over, but I had to go. Well, we had to go because sleep, you know, I can't even right now. But yeah, guys, it was a fun night. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. Listen, I don't miss the nightlife. I'm not a nightlife type of person. Like, it's just not for me. Okay, and I've accepted that. So right now, I go home, jumping on bed. Thankfully, I don't know even why my son, so I was singing, partially dancing. Like, the dancers were out tonight. I'm saying they were out. They were out, right? So yeah, guys, that's it for tonight's shenanigans. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've made it thus far into the video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, leave a comment down below, interact with your girl like I'm telling all the time on the bites, right? And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully I see you in the morning. If I don't, then this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. And I'll see you when I see you. What happened? We're stuck, we can't come out. See you guys, we can't come out the phone, right? It's raining! Guys, just did a little supermarket run. As per usual, I didn't take you in. I'm still rocking my little bun and my 2 little thingies. What them something here called? Bang, I don't even know. So hey guys, it's Sunday afternoon. And I don't know, I'm just holding the vibes if I'm being honest. Today was the World Cup finals and Argentina won. Listen, I never bring Argentina, but some Waganese people, I never can see him come name Argentina shirt. Waganese a friends him I bring, true Argentina win, him in an Argentina shirt. But yeah, guys, big up your team, big up your team. Good win, isn't it? Good win. Yo, it's the AC that we have blast. I go, the video sound crappy. I'm recording because you said they're caught in the supermarket. They said it took up time. Well, I don't know what kind of time that took up. Either way, moving on. So, suppose more people subscribe to me just for the supermarket content. You don't know that. You don't know that. But hey guys, I want to introduce a new series on my channel called no supermarket adventures. You right me? Shan says or Shan speaks. I've not but I really finalize what I'll call you. Which one sounds better? Shan says or Shan speaks? Shan speaks? Or you say Shan speaks sound better. So I basically want to incorporate some type of conversation on the vlog. I don't want you guys to just come over here, watch the vlogs on a weekly and leave with nothing other than being entertained by moi. Duh. But I want you guys to leave with something else, you know. So I said let me incorporate this little segment into the channel, or segment into the channel, or whatever it is, whatever the case may be. So at the end of each video we're going to drop a little, you know, Shan speaks, we'll drop some gems, share motivating, you know, a word of advice, anything. I don't know what the case may be. So today I wanted to speak on the saying that comparison is the thief of joy. And listen, I can relate to this, right? This is like speaking to me. Like, I can't even mention how many times I've let, you know, other people steal my joy. And I mean, I'm not feeling for it because I shouldn't have been comparing myself to them in the first place, right? Personally, business wise, you name it. Like, once you find yourself comparing yourself or your actions or your results or whatever the case may be to that of others, listen, trouble the day, right? For example, I remember being on Instagram and basically seeing the growth of certain pages while my growth was like slow or non-existent. Like, that kind of put a damper on my spirit. And listen, when I tell you that that affects you social media on a whole has a hold or has an effect on people, especially like, you know, this era of the soft life, you name it. Like, you see these girls on IG, and I mean, yes, you're inspired because you might want to live like them, but do not let that lifestyle cause you to be depressed just because you're not living that lifestyle, because you never know what a person is doing to basically be able to live that lifestyle. You never know, right? And certain things that they are willing to do, me and you not them someday. So don't even pray that. Just know that your time will come. Just go and put in the work, hold your head up high, put in a prayer, just continue being, you know, steadfast in whatever it is that you're doing, and your time will eventually come. So yeah, guys, just be happy when you see people making certain moves, when you see basically big things happening for other people, because your time will come. And it makes no sense, Jesus Christ, this and this, yes, because it literally makes no sense to compare yourself or compare your day 1 to a person's day 50. Like, that's just impractical if you ask me. And that's something I'm learning to accept. I'm not saying I'm perfect, I'm human too. Like, these are the things, as subtle as it may be, it creeps into your subconscious, and when you look, you're just in this slump, you're in this big depression, you don't even know what caused it. It's because you're looking at others and it's like you're not at that level, and you're just being so hard on yourself. Like, you just need to give yourself some grace, give yourself some patience, and listen, I'm preaching to the choir here, right? Hopefully. And that's something I need to put in practice too, and I plan to for the, well, not even start the new year. Like, I've been trying to implement this in my daily life now in the year 2022. Yes, I guess I'll include it as a part of like my New Year's resolution to basically remain steadfast on that journey of, you know, self-belief, self-confidence, basically reassuring myself that, hey, I belong here wherever I am right now. Like, I have a purpose, I belong here, I put in the work, I deserve all the fruits of my labor, right? I am deserving. And sometimes you look at yourself and, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I feel like I'm not deserving of certain things, and so I kind of brush it off and make it seem like, oh, you know, I'm not interested in this, because at the back of my mind I say, oh, you know, so it's really enough for me. But in this life, anything is possible, right? You're deserving of everything good in this world. Let me tell you this. So don't ever believe that, hey, this isn't good enough for me, or I'm not good enough to achieve certain things, I'm not good enough to sit at a certain table. Like, listen, you're that girl, you'll forever be that girl, you're a blessed girl, and God has a purpose for you. Like, listen, and I don't think that purpose is rooted in self-doubt and depression and just overall imposter syndrome, because that's what it really is, imposter syndrome. Feeling like you don't belong, feeling like, hey, I can't sit at this table because I'm not this, I don't come from this background, so I can't be in this space. Like, you get what I'm saying? So that's something I'm working on, as I said, and I implore you guys to do the same thing. And listen, this will only lead to a healthy lifestyle, a positive lifestyle, and basically a happy lifestyle. So that's it for Shan Speaks. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to include more going forward, because listen, me a bossy sometime now. Bet boss tell me a bossy. If you have more bossies than me, yeah, Jason, you have more bossies than me. Yeah, me you bossies every now and again. So yeah, guys, I have no problem having these conversations with you, sharing whatever knowledge is it that I have, motivation, you name it, because I'm just here to inspire you guys to basically follow your passion and basically find your purpose in this life, because that's a journey that I am on right now. It has its highs, it has its lows, but listen, at the end of the day, it's a fulfilling one. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this segment. I hope you enjoyed this video overall. Like, we had an eventful weekend, and this weekend was just lit from the get-go, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a comment down below, join in the conversation, let me know what your thoughts are on the topics that we just discussed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Give me the strength to keep fighting, cause I love it. Trust anybody, I make I love it.